everyone! We're heading to Hallstatt. Yes, the village from the postcards. After a few hours driving from Vienna, Hallstatt came into view. Nestled between dramatic peaks and a crystal clear lake, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. We wandered through the narrow cobble streets, and oh my god, these tiny houses! Many of them date back to 16th century. A pure testament to the village's long history as a thriving salt mining hub. A reflection of both the natural constraints of the landscape and the architectural influence of the alpine region. Inspiration came by a need to withstand heavy snowfalls and to make the most of limited space in the mountainside. Families worked in the salt mines, farmed small plots and relied on the nearby lake for fishing and transportation. The Evangelical Church of Hallstatt, built in 1163, is a neo-Gothic gem with a spire that reflects beautifully in the lake's waters. A symbol of the spiritual resilience and harmony. Nearby we have found multiple cute gift shops, whispering, "It's Christmas!" Just look at this! We took a funicular to reach the panoramic views from the skywalk. Hallstatt's salt mining history dates back over 7,000 years, making it one of the oldest salt mines in the world. It's a breathtaking experience. You won't forget. And don't forget to warm up yourself. After soaking in all of its charm, we hit the road again. We're heading towards Salzburg. The city of Mozart and Baroque splendor greeted us with its warm glow and streets dressed up in Christmassy gowns. We strolled through the old town, a UNESCO World Heritage site. Downtown full of authentic delicious. We even catched up a live on top of a roof classical music outdoor concert. Just listen. course, what an Austrian gem without horse-drawn carriage. Hallstatt's tranquil beauty and Salzburg's enchanting evening atmosphere made this trip truly unforgettable. It's amazing what you can experience in just one day. This being said, thank you for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel stories. Until next time, and keep traveling. It's totally worth it.